the cheaters. Stay connected, y'all.
I'll see you next
Oh, okay, perfect.
Oh, selling lanyards. Let's show her face.
I'm in here. Somebody come, Dji, come with me. Sherry, where's Sherry? They walk. They both in. But I don't want to be by myself. Or your G face.
Oh, it did.
Hey, that's good. We'll see at the end where it fits. Right. So they're going to walk up to the stairs. Too early. This is just that. You'll tell me
What floor is the casino on?
4.
No, 4.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh man, I should have sold one something cool. I'm hot now on this.
Stop it every night.
Question once you got over.
It might take me a while to get out.
Can we go down to 4? To the casino? Is that open?
Right there. Yeah, so let's go wait for him at the stairs. Good idea.
Because there's 10% on everything except the cats. Even on the off.
We on here. Got a little gifts that you into and shit. You wanna go on the spa? Sam, I am.
Oh yeah, the Dr. Seuss.
Yep. Start hearing the music. It's time to party. Smell that guy Yeti burger when you first hit that deck. Go take pictures. Dog Pub. I'll be there and then get the jerk wing. Where you want to go, man? You want to get your burger? Okay. Might have to find the first thing coming. Hey, I'm gonna go sit. Hey, I'm gonna go sit on this bench real quick. I gotta sit in.
My gelato.
Sure is. They just got coffee. It's probably 2 brands. They got the gelato. Got the gelato machine. We're in the marketplace. We're AKA buffet. I know it's pretty kind of warm in here.
I got to sneeze.
So we're gonna grab something to eat. You know, we finally made it over here on the 10th floor, the Lido deck, to go get something to eat in the marketplace.
I'm
Definitely
eyeballing the gelato.
Shine eyeballing the gelato.
Eyeballing the gelato spot.
Yeah.
Being made too.
And we definitely, you know, first things first, you know, we gotta break it in. Our first bite should be the Guy Fieri burger. You know. But it's pretty crowded. You know,
They have mango gelato.
but no line, so this is good.
On this side, the lines, everybody want mango.
Oh, okay.
I need some of the
You know what? I'm gonna slide over. You know what? Nice, what's it, coffee gelato?
Yes, sir. Yes. Excuse me.
Ooh, sorry. Sweet area. The sweet spot. Mango. They got some mango.
And some
How
strawberry.
you
I
doing?
know you.
How you doing?
You me before, right?
Yeah.
We've been in Inspiration.
Oh, okay.
We've been already in Inspiration.
Yeah. That's a while, yeah. It's
Remember in Ensenada?
normally my back. normally goes away.
Oh yeah, it's really
lasted
clear.
every
That's why I
single
like
day.
it. You put it in your seal.
So they said it could be a bulge disc, so I had to figure out how to get it pushed back in.
Oh my God.
Say cheese.
Say cheese.
You're on vacay mode.
Vacay mode, yay. One time up.
You guys ever been on this ship before?
No.
They have an app, a hub app.
I put that on my
Yeah, and they have a map. Okay, so right now we finally found a seat. Sean's going around to find some food for us. She was actually going to get the Guy Fieri burger, stuff like that. We were hanging out with a lovely couple. They have been cruising for quite a long time. They were telling us about their experiences going up to Alaska and stuff like that. But they were a wonderful couple. So I definitely let you guys see that. We're gonna do some more touring around the ship and everything like that, so you guys can see. We're just waiting in our room to get ready. Since Faster to the Fun was sold out, you know, we would have been in the room by now, being able to relax, stretch out. But it's cool, you know, we're here. So we're definitely gonna be cruising on vacation. So see you in a minute.
I would have been back. Of course, he had to get the Guy Fieri burger first. I think, pickles belongs to you. Guess
yeah.
what? I met the vacay family out there. That's
Oh,
what
yeah?
took me so long. Hey, remember he said that he was gonna be on his cruise?
Yeah,
I just seen him, so he said he'll come by and tell you hi.
cool. That was cool. So we got is this a pig patty?
The pig patty.
What?
They're actually looking for it.
It's a burger place right outside the door. Yeah, and it's called Guy Fieri Burger. So excited! Got my burger. It's the pig patty, one of the burgers on the list. A Guy Fieri burger. Sean got one too. Burger looking good. This for all my mukbang folks. You know what I'm saying? They love to chow down on TV. You know, the smell of it, and you can't even believe how good this burger is. Love my pickles. These different relishes you can have with it. Definitely comes with fries and stuff like that. And that's all included. You tell me.
It's on.
Oh, want to take the first bite?
Yum. Look at that pig patty.
Gotta get you one. Ellie. I'm my vacay family. I got me a burger off the hood. Don't forget to get the pig patty. They have a real circle bacon they put in.
Yummy.
Yeah, we enjoying ourselves and everything like that. Now I'm about to get down too, so.
Look at my plate.
Yeah.
That's some Chipotle mayo. Guess what? They ran out of ketchup for a minute. Oh, bite number 2, my bad. Y'all got KC real bad on this one.
Can't be pretty with this one. You know, it's good.
I don't know where my phone is at.
Oh, you want to take a picture?
You took a picture. How food. I know, right?
Take a picture with it.
I'll be on the same picture.
Just watched y'all, like, oh my gosh, I'll be watching more of y'all.
Definitely. It was good to meet you.
Y'all again.
Okay, take care. You ready? We ready to head to our room. It's 1:30. Well, it's a little bit past 1:30. You know, so get ready to go. Put these things down so we can get on the deck to, you know, see the ship take off. So, see everybody in a little bit. We're still in Galveston. Actually, it's Mardi Gras weekend in Galveston. So by the time we get back, they're gonna have a party going on. Hey, husband.